How to clone repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. Wanna clone a GitHub repository into Visual Studio Code? In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to get your code up and running. So let's get started. First, make sure you have Git installed on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, head over to gitscm.com and download the latest version. Follow the installation instructions based on your operating system. Once Git is installed, open Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, you can also install the GitHub Pull Requests and Issues extension from the Extensions view for enhanced GitHub functionality. Next, go to GitHub and navigate to the repository you want to clone. Click on the green code button and you'll see a drop-down with the repository's URL. Make sure to select the HTTPS option and copy the URL provided. Now, return to Visual Studio Code and open the integrated terminal by going to View, then Terminal. Then, type the following command: git clone your repo URL, replacing your repo URL with the URL you copied. Press enter and Git will clone the repository to your local machine. After cloning, you need to open the cloned repository in Visual Studio Code, so go to File, Open Folder, and select the folder of the cloned repository. You'll see all your files and folders in the Explorer view on the left side, ready for editing. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a GitHub repository into Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.